Hi everyone, welcome to another episode with Chaz's Lifestyle. I will be showing you how I create a quick and easy salmon bowl. So I will be using some garlic flavored olive oil. Basically it's an infused olive oil. You can use regular olive oil. As everyone know, I will have all of my ingredients listed down below in the description box, so make sure you check that out. So I will be air frying my salmon today. It's a perfect and a very easy way. I love using my air fryer. Okay, so I'm just placing some olive oil on each side of my salmon fillets, so this will ensure all of my seasonings will stick very well. So here I am using a couple seasonings, including this amazing Cajun seasoning. You can use no salt seasonings for more of a healthy style dish, but if you're not really worried about that, then go ahead and season it up, okay? So here I just have a couple basic seasonings. Like I said, everything is listed down below in the description box. Add a pinch of salt and pepper. Make sure you add to your liking and your taste. Give that a quick mix. Now I'm just going to go ahead and sprinkle some of that seasoning on each side of the salmon fillets as well as on the sides. You want to make sure you coat the sides really well. Now with any type of seafood or meat, I always make sure I get the high quality. I want good quality, okay? It might be a little bit more on the expensive side, depending, you might find a sale, but it's all about the quality. I'm just adding a little drizzle of olive oil on top just to ensure those seasonings are sticking very well. I'm going to cover this up and let it marinate for a good 10 minutes. Like I said, I will be air frying my salmon. It's really quick and easy. I air fried mine for about 10 to 12 minutes. At first I did it for 8 minutes and then I added additional 4 minutes on top of that just to get a little bit more of a crispy texture on the skin, but to keep it juicy on the inside. Now here are my green beans. I went ahead and steamed them and just follow directions. Now I am going to add some onions and make a little butter sauce for my green beans. So I sliced about a half of an onion. This is about a medium-sized onion and they're semi-thick, not too much. I'm just taking that apart and getting that prepared. Now in a preheated pan on a medium heat, I went ahead and added some olive oil. Once that oil is heated, I dropped in those onions. I'm just going to saute that until it's slightly caramelized. This just adds so much flavor to your meals and your vegetables. I definitely recommend. You can also add fresh garlic minced if you like as well. So here my green beans are pretty much steamed. They have a slight bite to them, so I want to go ahead and saute that up a little bit, get a little char on them. I went ahead and added a little bit of salt and pepper. You can add some of those seasonings that we created earlier to this as well, but season to your liking. Now look at that, salmon is just so juicy and amazing. Everything is perfect. Now it's time to plate. You can add your favorite toppings, different things, jazz it up, add a little razzle dazzle. It's just really up to you. I went ahead and added some freshly steamed white rice. Then I added a lot of those vegetables. I also charred some jalapenos and I sliced up some green scallions. I added sour cream just for that texture and that creaminess when I mix everything together. So this is basically my salmon. I call it a salmon poke bowl, but you could just call it a salmon bowl. And I add a little bit of lemon to give it additional flavor and a pop. So here I'm adding some yum yum sauce, some ginger sauce, as well as a dash of sriracha. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. If you decide to recreate this recipe, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisine Story.